Hi there guys and gals. Good evening to every one of you. I'm here inside the CR. I took a pee. So I'm done with my affidavit of loss there. And it only costs for 200 pesos. The actual price is 250 and then I asked for a discount. So they gave me 50 pesos discount. It became 200. Lucky I am. So after I had this my affidavit of loss, I'm gonna go there in police station to have a police report for the lost plate of my vehicle. So it's so easy. Hold on. By the way, guys and girls, I'm here in Municipal Binangonan, Rizal. So I'll proceed now. Thank you, Lord. Shout out to each every one of you. Check this out, guys. So there's a big Christmas tree at the back of me. So we'll now proceed. I've been here before, sometime in 2021 when the pandemic occurred, and then we have to get a permit, travel clearance before we go to any places that we wanted. So here, shout out to each every one of you. Got some kind of I forgot my umbrella. Just a little more things to fix and then me and British Cheryl will gonna travel. Going to LA, we're gonna hit the road. So I'm gonna go now here. Gonna get inside here in police station. PNP, okay? Bye for now.